This question is a matter of life and death. Have you ever eaten fudge from Uranus? Well, I have.
Okay, get ready for it. Get ready for it. It's about to happen. Almost there. Almost there. Yep, here it is. I am now coming into Uranus. If you have never had that before, you really need to try it. It's been a few years since I've been here. I am really happy to be back to Uranus. So now, let's go get something to eat from Uranus.
Alright, we are here in Uranus, Missouri. And I'm going to show you something really big that's in Uranus right now. And before long, I'm going to be having a hot dog in Uranus too. So, alright. This, according to the Guinness Book of World Records, who am I, Elmer Fudd? This is the world's largest belt buckle right here. And you can only find it in Uranus. So you should certainly stop by and check it out. Alright, it looks like I'm going to have a weenie, some chips, and some kind of brown liquid from Uranus. Sounds like a great lunch, doesn't it? Uranus Police Department, to serve and protect Uranus. You gotta love them and respect the law enforcement. I don't know if you can see the sign behind me, but you can get a proctology and dental exam, teeth cleaning, all at the same time, only 25 bucks. How can you go wrong? Me and snakes, we just don't get along. I think we should enter Uranus. Checkout line. And the mandatory Uranus t-shirts. I already have this one. What kind of gems do you think you can find from Uranus? Well, it is official. I have now marked Uranus. Alright, we're all loaded up, getting ready to take off for some unknown adventure right now because I really have no destination. I hope you like exploring Uranus with me. If you would, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't, hit that subscribe button down below and check out Uranus next time you're around here. You'll never regret it.